this afternoon from the Monindew family. With our prayer this afternoon, and we request our students to lead us in the word of prayer.
The school management and of course the President of the Student Association and various other members of the community who are here. I do not intend to make a long speech, but essentially to say it's a pleasure to actually work with the school and of course the management and the teachers to be able to provide this new ITC capability in the school. As you know that the rest of the world is moving along. Government actually in this year's budget has also funded up to $40 million in the area of the ICT. And today you can, of course, on your mobile phones, you can watch your TV now, free-to-air television. You have wireless TV that's all over the place. But also there's a lot of job opportunities in the area of ICT. You, of course, are lucky in the sense that you have a good management team that's actually provided you with a building. You also are lucky that you have a student association or former student association that's actually carried out the funding. For some of the schools, they don't actually have that. Some schools actually still don't have proper buildings. Some schools do not necessarily have the financial capacity or the capability to do so. And this is why you have a very energetic former high school, former school president over here, and it was through his invitation that last year we got to know about the school and of course the various requirements of the school. So we're quite happy to partner with the school, quite happy to work with you and provide with these facilities. Of course, we'll also be talking to the Ministry of Education staff to give you the right teachers with the right level of qualifications. It is very important. People may not realize this, but they think computers are not for them. In particular, those of you who may not have used computers before. It gives you access to be able to call relatives and friends on the computers. You can call them overseas. It's free. All you have to do is pay for the data. Of course, if you're farmers, you can get information on the internet, and government obviously now provides a lot more information. In fact, many of the upgrades that that's taking place from in a few months' time, you'll be able to, for example, register children on your mobile phone apps and various other services, for which actually you don't have to go to Lambasa, or even for that matter, Senganga. There's a number of other initiatives that we've got in place in this year's budget, but we will be discussing it later this afternoon. So I look forward to seeing many of you over there at the Fiji Rice facility, and also where we'll be having a session on the budget. So thank you very much, and I wish you the school all the best. Naka, thank you. Everything is tender.